Hey guys, welcome to my, first video. I recorded once, but for some reason, the video got corrupted, whatever, and it wasn't working. So today we are going to play this game called Dungeon Quest. It's really fun. I'm playing a little bit off screen. Well, not a little bit, but a couple times. I think you guys should play. It's really fun. Okay, so we're gonna play. I think we should play 3 dungeon quests. I just leveled up, so maybe I can do insane. Yep. I'm gonna try to get level 33, so let's get right into it. Okay, click start, and shift. Okay. Well, I'm not, that talkative, I guess, so I don't know what to talk about yet. So, and comment I messed up. Comment, down below what games we should play. Or what games you want me to play. Yeah. So, yeah. For some reason, my game, just, froze, I guess, and it, kicked me out. So, yeah. So, I restarted. I just, got my daily coins, and then I got this new one. I upgraded it. So let's see how much damage it does. Okay. Okay, 93. Okay, yeah. Let's go into the world. Again. Okay. My goal is 33, like I said. So let's try to get there. I'm gonna at least get level 25 before I end this video. I might make 15 minutes long videos, something like that. I still need to find an intro or make one. Make an intro, but find a good song or whatever. I don't guess. So by that. Okay. 7. Okay, never mind. I'm still doing hard, I guess. I can. So, I don't know. I can maybe do if I hit 100, no, 200 subs, maybe I'll do a giveaway. I think I'll do a giveaway. But when when my thing grows and stuff like that. Yeah, and my goal so far is just to get 1,000, so that maybe I can start on Fortnite and stuff like that. Maybe I can start codes, and then so that we can play together, I guess, on my stream, and then it'll just go from there, I guess. But so far, I'm gonna be just a Roblox streamer, I guess. Just suggest games, I guess, in the comments. Yeah. Okay. These just had 250 health. I don't know what just happened. Maximize times 3. Hello. Um, I'm about to die, I'm about to die, I'm about to die. Okay. Yes, I'm about to level up. I'm dead. He's catching on me, bro. What is this? He's like the Flash. But I mean, he's faster than the character can walk. I hope this gives me, I hope I get a legendary. I don't know. I don't, comment down below, like, tips, I guess, on leveling up and stuff. I actually might do a couple giveaways if, on, like, here. Maybe as, like, 100. Level up, let's go. Yeah, I'll just do health until I hit 10 and then do 200, like, attack and stuff. Stuff like that. I don't know how good this quality is, so sorry if it's bad. I might do it on mobile, so it's better, I guess. I think it's actually better on mobile, so I might do that. I really don't know what to talk about, but yeah. This episode, I might end slowly, I guess. I mean, end the video shortly, maybe, because it's like the first one. Just tell me, how it is so far. Like, just tell me things, need working on, stuff like that. Okay. There's like 200 right there, though. Oh. Come here, boy. I hate when that happens, I have to go all the way over. So, I might not actually win this, but I better give it a try. I might just go back to medium. I don't even remember putting it in hard mode. Because they were at 200, so I'm gonna have to speed through this. I think this next one is the, oh, there we go, speed through this. Hold on, how did they not die? Like, wait, this game? Oh, freak. One more? Okay. So yeah. Yep. All I have to do is kill this guys. Yeah. And then gotta get these guys, and then please tell me it's a giant? How is that possible? Why? This is the last one. Please be. I think so. Yeah, this is the last one. It has to be. Yep. Spam, 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 spam. Okay, I'm gonna use the 2 quirks. I mean, things, whatever. I think powers, I guess. And then get these guys and then defeat the one Sand King Giant in 1 minute, though. Okay, 8,000 HP. Okay, it's gonna be harder than I thought. Oh, I'm dead. He can probably one-tap me. Nope. Only 80 damage. I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. Okay. 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Okay, this is gonna be really tough. Oh, wrong way, wrong way. No! Please, 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 please. Epic Games, Epic Games, Epic Games. He's glitched. Yo, yo, Epic Games, bro. Look at this number right here. Do you see that, bro? 4 seconds, bro. I'm a goat. No, I'm not, bro. Just clutching it, bro. Yep. What even is that? Is that like a spell? Let's see what it is first. I might use it because I don't like just double use the same attack. Like change it up, I guess. Find some new stuff. Okay, let's see, guys. What it is. Okay, I leveled up again. Okay, that is it. Now what is this? Poison 4K. Okay, so this is a spell. I wish I was level 60 so I could use this and then use that, and because it's like powerful, I guess. I just never used that, so. This is tough. So I might use this and then upgrade it and have this as one of my things. EQ. Okay. Well, that's sick. Okay. Keep on forgetting I can't have my thing in my inventory. While I upgrade it. There we go. 2 spells and that attack. So 46, 37. Okay. That's good. Let me check on the shop. What there is. Yep, I've seen that. Only 2 times gold. Oh, free. Oh, never mind. Bro. Oh. I'm gonna get some Robux. Okay, yeah. That's my goal. Okay. I'm gonna get some Roblox. Maybe. Yes, for Christmas, I guess. I don't know. Maybe not. Okay, let's get on the game. I think this will be my last one. Because it's gonna be 20 minutes, so. Okay. I barely won, but you know, got no powers, so.